Today's news in Haverhill, Massachusetts, they have a store called the Restaurant Food Shop, which helps you choose a meal and buy whichever food items you want and need. In other news, someone made a protest with Multiverse World, and some people went on a fight about it. And no statement has been said yet, but there will be more news appearing back to Jim.
Rules are rules. You know what you gotta do. Now you gotta pay me up.
But I have not bought anything.
Oh, come on, you know you wanna... All you gotta do is give me your money.
Because if you don't pay up, we will have to kill you.
Back off, creep! The next time you creep on her like that again, you'll have the taste of my sword.
Don't you worry, I'll be waiting.
Clowns.